Introducing the all-new 2026 Mitsubishi Outlander, presented by Pristine Mitsubishi. This Outlander SE features a powerful 1.5 LY4 turbocharged engine with 174 horsepower, seamlessly paired with a smooth CVT transmission. With its advanced all-wheel drive, you can conquer any terrain with confidence. The striking blue exterior and sleek black interior offer both style and comfort for every journey. Don't miss out! Contact Pristine Mitsubishi today for more information and